Honorable Court has carefully examined and is now satisfied that the amended order has clearly and precisely granted the first accused hearing in terms of order number 5, a conservatory order in respect of these proceedings in the following terms: that an interim conservatory order be and is hereby granted staying criminal proceedings against the petitioner in ACC criminal case number 38 of 2018, pending before the Chief Magistrate Court at Nairobi until 9th of October 2018, when the court will give further directions on the hearing of the petition. In compliance with the said order, this Honorable Court gives the following directions: that this proceeding shall now rest at the point at which they are reached, that the status quo shall be maintained in respect of any orders the court had made so far, that 2 weeks following the date of the appearance of the parties before the High Court, there shall be a mention before this court for purposes of appraising or updating this court on any further directions of the High Court in respect of this criminal case that is pending before this court. So what we need to do in respect of this, because I can see the High Court says that the order is until 9th of October 2018, we need to take a mention date 2 weeks after this date so that you can come and brief the court on the further directions that the High Court will have made in connection with this case. So 2 weeks should be around 23rd or thereabout, or maybe we can push it up to around 30th of October so that the court can be kept updated on any development. 22nd. Yes. Is it okay, Mr. Mutete?
Yes, that's fine.
So we have mention on 22nd October 2018, and then the first accused, the second accused. Second accused can present the order of the court maybe next week on 12th. Eh? Which you suggest which date? Tuesday is when?
Today I think it's the 5th of September.
5th, eh?
No, 4th.
Allow me to place one important matter on record.
So sorry, it's okay. So mention in respect of the second accused on which date? 5th. 5th September.
It's okay.
So mention in respect of the second accused who is present. Yes, mention in respect of the second accused on 5th of September 2018 for purposes of presenting the High Court order to the court or for any further orders.
That's right. I was kindly requesting
Yes.
the DPP
Yes.
as instructed as to communicate this to the court, that the proceedings before this court though a matter of acute sensitivity and great moment, should not be taken as an attack on the independence of the judiciary.
Why are we having mamas?
I think that makes them a bit uncomfortable. They quickly forget they raised the matter when we were before you. Your Honor, that is stated without any reservations from our end. We respect the courts. We respect rights of individual persons. And as an office, we do expect that just like the accused persons do expect a fair trial, that whatever actions we take as an office should not, at any rate, be interpreted to mean that we are demeaning our judicial officers or the institution of the judiciary. Your Honor, purely, these proceedings have been brought against the two accused persons.
That is, so you are stating what
Yes.
you would
Mr.
have
Important.
stated if the order of the High Court did not come.
If the order of the High Court did not come,
That is what you would have said.
yes, we would have proceeded in the normal way.
Okay, please now make it short because
Yes, I'll make it very short.
as I've said, you know, these proceedings now are not supposed actually to be.
Yes, Your Honor, I am alive to that.
In fact, I think we are going against the order. In fact, I should not even be recording. But
Your Honor, you see, I had said
I respect, and that is why I gave you some brief moments to put out your concern, which I think is okay, because defense and that opportunity, but I don't think we should prolong it. I think you have made your point.
Thank you, Your Honor, I'm guided.
You have made your point.
I've made my point.
I've recorded the bit that you have indicated, and I'm sure that's enough.
Thank you.
Yeah, I'm sure that's enough.
and they should be consistent. Because what Doc has said is very different from what Mr. Authoritative was saying. One is blaming the judiciary, one is saying we're not blaming you. You're saying the problems they're having is because...
So I think
I'll leave it there.
Yeah, we need to...
Actually, I wanted to address the court on the issues that Mr. Dura had raised.
Maybe you can make one comment.
The proceedings stand stayed, I cannot say any other word. I'm completely happy. Let's meet on the date of the mention. The High Court is different program. Yeah. And come there, speak loudly. The same thing you say now.
Very well. So I thank you. I thank you all for coming and for your presentations. I also thank you for being very kind to the court. You have expressed yourself with a lot of decorum. And for now, I say these proceedings now have come to an end. We shall meet another time. God willing.
Thank you for your patience.